This video will walk you through the app. Once you download the app, click on the app icon to open it. You will see the Sign In, Sign Up page. Create your account by signing up for the first time. But once you have created an account, you can use the same email and password to sign in to the app. After signing in, you hit the home screen, where you can see and browse the selection of book lists and categories: new books, books by age, reading level, grade level, type, and so on. The top menu at the left is another way to find and browse the collection. Tap on a selection to browse collections or books within that menu choice. Search tab at the bottom is another easy way to look for what you want to find. When you first sign up, you are prompted to create your profile. You can choose an avatar from our collection, enter the child's name, and choose the age range. You can edit the profile anytime using the edit icon at the top right of the profile page. The profile you create will help us recommend age-specific books. The profile page indicates your status as an active member once you have subscribed. Tap on the Active Member button to see how long you are subscribed. My List is where I add the books I want my child to read. Within My List, the book covers will have a download icon at the bottom left of each book cover. This means the books have not yet been downloaded to your device. Once the books have been downloaded, this arrow will be replaced with a check mark, and these books can be read offline without internet or Wi-Fi. I add and download books in My List when I have the internet or Wi-Fi, so that they are available to read later when there is no internet. From the profile page, you can see the list of badges earned or can earn. As your child reads the books and earns badges, these badges keep getting unlocked. Badges earned can be shared with friends and family to encourage and motivate the child to read more. The activity feed icon on the profile page lists the books read by your child recently. The Earn Smart Coins icon on the profile page shows how to earn smart coins. The Smart Bank icon on the profile page shows how many smart coins have been earned, how much have been spent, and how much balance is available to shop for rewards. A great way to teach kids financial responsibility. The kids can go shopping for rewards with their balance. For each reward that they pick to shop, they will be shown the balance available and the price of the reward. If the price of the reward is less than the balance, the child will be able to buy the reward. Otherwise, he will be prompted to earn more smart coins by reading more. All the rewards shopped will be displayed under My Rewards in the Smart Bank page. My Wall of Fame page is a snapshot of the child's achievements, where all the badges, rewards, smart coins earned are displayed. You can also tap on the rewards to set them as your profile image and share with friends. The Wall of Fame page as a whole with all the achievements can be shared with friends and family to encourage and motivate kids. The Leaderboard icon shows the top 10 readers and your child's position. Challenge your child to move their name to the top 10 position. You can view the Wall of Fame of any of the profiles in the top 10 positions by simply tapping on their name and position. You can also share your child's achievements on the leaderboard with friends and family to motivate and encourage your child. To read books offline from My List, simply tap on the book cover to open the book. You can choose from the two options of read to me, and read it myself. If you don't choose an option, the book will begin to autoplay in 5 seconds. Reading the book will earn the child smart coins. At the end of each book are more suggestions for the child based on the age. I can search for books within my list and also filter books by grade, age, and so on. The home button at the bottom will always bring you to home screen. You can invite friends to download and install the app so that more people can take advantage of this awesome app. Don't forget to rate the app, and happy reading with your kids.